guys, it's WEEZY, the Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today with a bit of a review and a get ready with me. It's going to be featuring the new James Charles palette by Morphe and Fenty Beauty. So, if you would like to see how I created this beautiful look, then keep watching.
Y'all, I am shook with how purple this purple is and how it's actually showing up on me. guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up this face and add some lashes and give you my final thoughts. But I was so mad. I thought I was recording, and then I realized I wasn't recording at the end when I was putting on lipstick. So I don't know what happened. Something happened with the storage on my phone. I had to run up to Verizon, have them fix it. Wow. And it's been probably 4 hours. Really the only things that you guys missed was my lashes. The lashes that I have are called So So Whimsical. They're by my girl I Am So Chanel. I'm a part of her lash club. And I use for my lip this beautiful purple by Juvia's Place, and it's called Moro, M-O-R-O. This is the metallic. They have a metallic and a matte. And then I also put on top of it my Fenty Beauty gloss called Mermaid Thighs. And I put a little bit of that on top to give it a more of a iridescent look. But let me just kind of get in a little closer so you guys can see the completed eye look. I used the Fenty Beauty Killawatt. Let's see, in the color, I mixed these two together, 7 Day Kind and Poolside highlight. But I absolutely love, love, love this James Charles palette. This is just, it's everything. I love it. I've experienced a lot of fallout at all, you guys. The color payout on these pigments are just absolutely stunning. I can't believe you can see every color that I actually used. You can see it on my eye. And for those of you who are dark complected, you know how much of a challenge that can be. And just the fact that, you know, I was able to work with the pigment, my hooded eye, and to be able to bring all the colors together so that you can see them with my eyes open or closed. I mean, I just feel like it's like, wow. So you guys can leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. The shadows were so easy to work with if you did exactly what he said. And with the matte colors, you know, you guys saw I patted the matte colors in with the flat brushes, and the shimmer colors I used my finger, or I did spray some of my setting spray. The one that I used was my MAC Fix Plus setting spray on my brush, and kind of use that to set in the shimmers as well as with my finger. I mean, as long as you did what he said. I used the P. Louise base underneath, and I mean, look at that. Girl, get your life. Get your life. Yes. This somebody grandmama. So, thumbs up, James Charles. Not that you'll ever see my review, but if you do, mwah. So, remember guys, what I always say. Oh, wait, before you start remembering that, back paddle, back stroke. Girl, are you subscribed to my channel? Hit that subscribe button. Beautiful hair I'm reviewing, as well as beautiful makeup looks. You can't get no better than that, and it's free. Girl, this ain't my job. I'm just bringing this to you and showing you the things that I'm learning along the way and that I love. So come on, join the WEEZY family, hang out with me, and let's learn some things together. All right, girl. This is WEEZY, the Sexy Grandma 2K. Make sure you have a blessed day, and remember what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. Bye guys, I'll see you on the next video.